Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and just show you some of the interior features and details and include some of the service history. The vehicle we have here for you is a 318D M Sport Saloon. It's presented in the black sapphire metallic and of course we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. Another addition we've made is adding the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels that are finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and they are in fantastic condition all the way around, which again you'll get a chance to look at as we go around the vehicle. At the front of the car you'll see it is a 2017 17 plate, comes with the LED front headlamps, and you'll see there both gloss kidney grills and the satin front splitter. Down the side of the car we've just added the YNC Mperformance decals to this very nice Saloon M Sport. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, where for this vehicle we've got the black Dakota leather, which comes with the electric lumbar option, and as you can see there is very nicely presented. The interior trim is the brushed aluminium and high gloss black, and we'll give you a glance at the rear seats now, where for the 3 Series Saloon we've got a 3-seat Isofix rear bench and a centre folding armrest. And we've also got a very nice darkened M Sport headlining, as you can see there. There we go, that's a bit better light for you. Moving round towards the rear, again showing you off those very nice 19-inch alloy wheels. Again, in terms of the alloy wheels, all the way around we've got the premium mixed run flat tyres that are all in good condition. At the rear of the car we have satin rear diffuser and the matching rear boot spoiler, and of course we'll open up the luggage compartment for you to take a look at just how large that space is. And of course again, genuine BMW floor mats, very nicely presented, along with a nice area, which again is a very nice large size. Moving round towards the other side of the car, where again we'll demonstrate just how nicely presented this vehicle is. That black sapphire metallic really does have a large amount of metallic flake in it, and once the direct sunlight hits it, really does make a very nice colour to look at. Moving on now, I'm going to go ahead and of course take a seat inside the vehicle and just show you around a couple of the major talking points and features. This 3 Series we are now sat in does come with a very nice 7-speed automatic gearbox. We'll start the car up. And there you can see on screen we've got the BMW Business Navigation and Media screen. Currently we're set on the multimedia function, which covers you from Bluetooth audio right through to your AUX and USB inputs. We've also got the DAB, Bluetooth telephone, and of course your sat-nav screen there. Moving back to the vehicle itself, it has covered just over 86,000 miles. However, to look at this vehicle and of course drive it, everything feels, looks and sounds exactly as if it had done a lot less mileage than that, which again is very typical of anything in the BMW range, as obviously quality is definitely within their reach. Moving over back to the vehicle service history and service status of the car, which of course is all viewable. In terms of the next oil service, it's not due for 7,000 miles time. And this vehicle does also have full BMW service history, again as you can see on screen. The last visit to BMW was at 85480, and that was for rear brakes and a brake fluid change. The time before that was for a full service including all of the filters, which is fantastic news for any potential next owner of this vehicle, as of course it does mean that the next oil service is just a very basic oil and oil filter change. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you found it useful and enjoyed it. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully this has been an aid to making an informed purchasing decision upon your next car. Once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully we'll see yourselves very soon. If you are looking to find any further information on the car, you'll find all of the website links and of course telephone numbers down below in the description. Thank you guys, see you soon, take care and goodbye.